Choosing the right carbon wheelset can make or break your cycling performance. Heavy rims, weak braking, slow acceleration, and poor aerodynamics often hold riders back. But high-quality carbon wheels offer lighter weight, stronger stiffness, and faster response on the road. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best carbon rim brake wheel sets: durable, aerodynamic, and built for speed. All product links are in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cycling gear reviews. Number 5. ELITEWHEELS ENT 2.0 Carbon Wheelset. The ELITEWHEELS ENT 2.0 is a UCI-approved 700C carbon wheelset designed for serious road racing. Its stiff carbon rim improves power transfer, while the disc brake centerlock system ensures stable, reliable stopping. Lightweight construction boosts climbing and acceleration performance. Ideal for riders seeking race-ready speed, smooth handling, and long-distance durability without paying a premium. Number 4. AERORAPTOR 50 Wave Wheelset. The AERORAPTOR 50 Wave Wheelset features a 50mm aerodynamic rim profile and tubeless compatibility for smoother, faster rides. Its 36T ratchet hub delivers instant engagement, while Aero 418 spokes improve stiffness and control. The wave rim design cuts through crosswinds with stability, making this wheelset perfect for fast road cycling, racing, and long training sessions on varied terrain. Number 3. 65mm Wave Carbon Wheelset. This 65mm full carbon 700C wheelset offers a deep section aero profile ideal for high-speed performance. The UD carbon finish provides strength and lightweight efficiency, while the through-axle, centerlock disc system ensures stable braking. Compatible with tubeless setups, it delivers smooth rolling and impressive stiffness. Great for riders who want maximum aero benefits for racing or fast group rides. Number 2. SUPERTEAM Carbon Wheelset. The SUPERTEAM UCI-approved 700C carbon wheelset combines carbon spokes with a tubeless-ready rim for superb speed and responsiveness. Disc brake compatibility ensures confident stopping, and the aerodynamic profile reduces drag at high speeds. Lightweight yet strong, this wheelset is ideal for competitive cyclists looking for stiffness, stability, and premium performance without high-end pricing. Number 1. Factory Sales Carbon Wheelset. Available in 38mm, 50mm, 60mm, and 88mm profiles, this carbon wheelset is built for riders who want custom aero performance. Designed for rim brakes, it features basalt braking surfaces for better heat resistance and stronger stopping power. Lightweight construction improves acceleration, while the clincher design provides convenience. Perfect for road cyclists seeking speed, versatility, and value. For speed, stiffness, and aerodynamic advantage, carbon wheelsets offer the best upgrade for any road bike. These 5 options provide excellent performance, braking stability, and value. Whether sprinting, climbing, or training, you'll find the perfect match here. Comment your favorite and subscribe for more reviews.